If you're running out of ideas for absinthe cocktails, keep watching Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make an absinthe cocktail, but I'm going to do one that's sort of a little bit on the sweeter side, that's not something stirred down and so forth, like the Sazeracs and things like that. And I want to make one that has at least like 30 mils or an ounce of absinthe. I don't even have a name for this, but a fella by the name of David Wainwright that used to work at the 18th Amendment Bar, come up with this cocktail. I think he called it Amaresque. I'm going to have to look and check that out. But I remember the specs and it tasted pretty good. It was about 6 years ago, so let's give it a try live on camera. Not live, but as we make it. And the first thing that we're going to call for is 30 mils or an ounce. I'm using the Lafay Bohemian Absinthe. And it's going to be equal parts or equal measures. Next up, 30 mils, 1 ounce of Falernum. Mr. Crawley's Falernum. I really do love his spirits. And last but not least, 30 mils, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice to obviously balance out the Falernum. Going to add some ice to that. If you're a lover of absinthe, what is your favourite absinthe cocktail? Like, I do love using the fountain and drinking it the traditional way, and if you want to learn a little bit more about absinthe, check out the folder on the spirit reviews. I have a little bit of the history about absinthe. It's getting a lot of views, so check it out. Let's give this a shake. Okay. Going to serve this up in a Nick and Nora glass because it isn't a long drink, and I love to chill down my glassware, as you know, if you've been following and watching. What I'm going to do with this cocktail though, instead of serving it just up, I'm going to add just a little bit of crushed ice to the drink. I'm going to do it above the ice well, so I don't spill it all over the bar as I normally do. Give it just a little bit of a stir. What that will do, the crushed ice, is it will dilute it down a little bit as you're drinking it, because absinthe is a pretty strong full-on flavour. For my garnish, you can use a fresh lime wheel. I'm going to use a dehydrated. I'm going to call it Amaresque. I don't know how I'm going to spell it. I'm going to check it out. But let's try it first. Cheers. That's it. Surprisingly, 30 mils of Falernum I would think would be a little bit overpowering, the sweetness, but it balances out really well. It is a drink that's on the sweetest side, so if you try it, you could go down to 20 mils. That's bloody delicious. Give it a try, please subscribe to our channel, help us to continue to grow, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.